We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hi guys, Happy New Year. I am here with my cousins. We are saying hello to 2021.
We are working.
We are saying hello to 2021. How is your,
by the way,
New Year's?
My New Year's Eve I was sleeping. I woke up around, I woke up at 12.
How was yours?
2021 started with me sleeping, woke up at 10. But I'm here with premium with my cousins, we're having fun, taking photos. I ate chicken, what, you know.
What's the blast, I know.
Oh my
The million
goodness.
girl.
So yeah, I bought my parents some food as well.
So also Mumsie must start taking us into consideration. She doesn't love us this one.
I do. I just have a special way of showing.
She's not consistent this one.
That's true. But I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on it.
So what's the
I'm gonna work on it, guys. You just with my consistency in general. Alright, guys.
The million girl.
I'll check it with you guys later.
For the content, they must
What I have? Who that?
do that.
It's coming
See what
together.
it does.
It's coming together.
Makes sense, guys.
Energies are just everything is just coming together.
This day of 2021.
It makes sense.
Hey,
The girls after paying their bills. When are we doing this again?
I'm doing this again on your birthday.
So what's happening to the keys?
Before you can,
I stop hanging out with you immediately. I'm not
And I gonna, on top of that, I had to get my license. One of us.
I don't hang out with all these things.
18 with how many years experience?
After 300 meters, turn left.
course, the first thing I had to do when I got back was take my wig off. But yeah, I'm just gonna close off the vlog. Yeah, thank you guys for joining us on our little lunch. I don't really vlog a lot because I actually forgot that I had wanted to vlog. So yeah, just showing you a little bit more of my life. Those were my cousins, grew up together. Literally we grew up together. Those are like my closest cousins. So yeah, I'm glad that you guys got to meet them, and yeah, you'll probably be seeing a lot more of them on my vlogs from now on, because one of the things that, you know, I really want to be intentional about in this year is just focusing my energy on people that matter, focusing my energy on friends that put equal effort into me, those that I have neglected. I want to fix things and do right by them, because I've wasted a lot of time on trying to build new relationships, and I neglected those relationships that actually were there and were actually solid. That also includes family. Sometimes you don't necessarily have to always, the whole thing of our blood is thicker than water. If a family member is toxic, or if you guys are not close, it's okay for you guys not to be close. You don't have to be like so close with every single family member, every single extended family member. You don't have to. Find your peace, stick with those that are legit and those that are solid, and it's okay to love other people from a distance. So yeah, I have a lot of thinking to do and a lot of mending to do, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. At least I know where I have gone wrong, and I know and acknowledge that I haven't been the best friend, I haven't been the best cousin, I haven't been the best, I haven't done my part in a lot of my relationships, particularly those that matter. So that's what I wanna fix in this new year. For me, a new year is literally that. It's a new clean slate, a chance for me to start over. Yes, life is continuing, but just the significance, yeah, a new year, it's really big, mohonna. So anyway, I was trying to end the vlog. I hope that you guys had an amazing crossover, and that you are ready and excited for 2021, and I pray that 2021 will just be amazing and full of blessings, full of success, full of prosperity. 2020 was rough, but it's over, and it's time for us to start afresh. So happy 2021, and yeah, we're going all in this year. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you did to usher in the new year. If you would like, you can share what you are doing differently this year. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. Thank you so much for coming with me. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Bye guys.